Okay, how many of you have credit cards? Okay. No. Okay. Or debit cards. Okay. But I will talk about the credit cards first, right? So, ever wonder? So when you swipe,
I never used it.
you never used it. Anybody who's used a credit card? Yes, you have, right? So what have you bought with your credit card? Give me one example. A flute. Okay, so let's say when he bought this food, this cost him 1,000 rupees, right? So he gives this card to the shopkeeper swipes it for 1,000 rupees, right? And he gives him the food. How much does the shopkeeper get? How much does the shopkeeper get? Does he get the full 1,000? No. What will the credit card companies do? Okay. The shopkeeper gets about 980 rupees, roughly 15 to 20 rupees will get deducted, right? Now if you paid cash also, the shopkeeper would have given you for 1,000. You paid by card, he gets 15 rupees less or 20 rupees less on a 1,000 rupee bill. Okay, in most likelihood the shopkeeper is a Marwadi like me. Okay, now why does he agree? Why does he agree to accept a credit card? Any guesses? Yes.
Because see, a credit card is a lot more convenient for customers, so he'd rather.
What do I care? I want to make money. Convenient for you. Why should I pay for the convenience?
They still charge you extra.
Okay, we'll not talk about only food. They don't charge you extra, right?
No, even other shopkeepers they add on 2%.
In some thing, actually that's illegal. They are not supposed to add on. Okay, but we'll take cases where they don't add on. Okay. So why do they accept? Any guesses? Some guesses.
It increases his potential, it allows him to get more customers.
It allows him to get more customers. Okay.
Because of the convenience factor.
Because of the convenience factor. So that's what he cares about, right? More business.
The customer doesn't think like he's spending, so he has a more chance of like giving the money out to the customer.
Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do? Okay. We just watch a very wise man describe why shopkeepers accept credit cards. Okay. And some other mysteries of life. So there is this. What did we learn from this?
You usually end up spending more than you can afford with a credit card.
You usually do impulse purchase. You may be able to afford, but you clearly will do. It's a proven fact. Okay. There is this concept of pain of paying. If I try this experiment, okay, and probably in the Indian context, this is addressed to the boys. Okay, I mean, go with your girlfriend to this restaurant. At one time, pay by cash. So same restaurant, same company, same ambience. Once pay the tip by cash, second time pay it by credit card. Okay, and you will find that the same person with similar constraints ends up giving more tip when he tips by a credit card. Right? So there is something about the pain of paying that makes you make only necessary expenditure. You saw that how difficult it was to pay by cash. In fact, the research says that if you pay by clean currency, absolutely kadak note, okay, you will end up spending even less. Okay, because you hate to part with clean cash, right? So increase the pain of paying. Just increase. Okay. Debit cards, are they better than credit cards?
Yes.
Yes.
Are a little better because the pain of paying is there, right? It's a little bit, at least it's less than cash, but it's more than credit card. Okay, so use cash or debit cards. Okay, and what's wrong with cash? I mean, for small value purchases, what's wrong with cash? Okay, and if you do use credit cards, I mean, not too many people here, but this is a good lesson for the future. If you do use credit cards are very useful. You have an emergency flight to catch, you have an emergency expenditure, credit cards are absolutely a complete tool. But make sure you pay off 100% at the end of the month. Interest rates on credit cards, if you choose to just pay 10% and pay the balance, can be as high as 60% per annum. I mean, the banks there give us Marwadis a bad name. Okay? Clearly, never borrow on a credit card. The day you have to borrow on your credit card, you are in trouble. So